Interest is a percentage, usually small, paid by a bank or a company that is added to an initial investment, debt, or loan. So, compound interest is where interest is paid on both the initial investment and any interest that has already been paid. This is different from simple interest, which is the interest paid only on the initial investment. Compound interest will be paid in installments in a given time frame, and it is expressed by the following formula, where FV is the future value, PV is the present value, N is the number of years, K is the number of compounding periods per year, and R is the nominal annual rate of interest. This formula is given in the formula booklet, so you don't need to memorize it. Note that the value of K can vary. Annually, K would be 1, half year means that K is equal to 2, quarterly means that K is equal to 4, and monthly means that K is equal to 12. Now let's apply this to a simple question to get a better understanding. So Dominique invests $1,000 in an account that pays a nominal annual interest rate of 1.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the amount that Dominique will have in his account after 5 years. So first, let's identify everything. So PV is equal to 1,000. K, since it's monthly, is equal to 12. R is 1.5. And N is 5. Now we can plug everything into the formula. So FV is equal to 1,000 times 1 plus 1.5 over 100 times 12 to the power of 12 times 5. Now we can plug this into our calculator. So FV is equal to 1,077.83. So after 5 years, Dominique will have 1,077.83 Canadian dollars in his account.